A truck full of bricks rolled steady and true. The train on its track went choo-choo-choo. The skies turned dark. The rain poured down, splashing the roads and the edge of the town. The canal bridge cracked with a thunderous sound. The train tumbled down to the water below ground. The wooden bridge wobbled, then gave a big snap. The truck nearly fell in a slippery trap.
Gotta listen to that. Bus like a dismuticle. Okay.
The workers all shouted, "We'll build it anew." With sand and cement, they knew what to do.
Okay.
They dug the foundations so steady and deep, and pillars rose tall in a strong, sturdy sweep. They laid all the bricks with a careful hand. Steel roof on the top, the strongest in the land. Railings were fixed so nothing could fall. Bridge built for everyone, steady for all. Now the train rolls on one side with a cheer. The truck on the other with nothing to fear. No crashing, no braking, just smooth as can be. A bridge standing proud for the whole world to see.